Want to add your doForms data into Azure or in SQL Server database? Look no further than SyncDB, a powerful tool that automates complex database management tasks. SyncDB offers the capabilities of a professional database administrator without the high costs, making it accessible for businesses of all sizes. SyncDB can reverse engineer your mobile form and automatically create a relational database schema. It then creates your database and turns your tables and repeatable sections into child tables. After creating your database, SyncDB automatically populates your database as forms are being submitted. What makes SyncDB so powerful is that it automatically updates your database schema to reflect new fields you add to your form in the future. And if someone opens a form in doForms and modifies the data, SyncDB downloads the modified form, updates the database, and maintains a full audit log of any changes made. SyncDB is based completely on the doForms set of bidirectional RESTful APIs and even captures your doForms settings so that the SyncDB portal functions seamlessly alongside of your other doForms web portals. SyncDB has a number of other powerful features as well. You can combine data from different forms with similar structures into a single table. You can also modify field names to make them more meaningful in queries. And you can open forms and edit them directly from within the SyncDB portal. So if you want to use SQL tools or products like Power BI or Tableau, then you need SyncDB. SyncDB is also being added into the doForms dashboard so that customers needing to perform more complex data lookups on high volume will have the ability to do so without having to use a different tool. More on this feature to come. So contact us today to learn more. You can visit our website at doforms.com, send us an email at sales@doforms.com, or give us a call.